Okay, so this is going to be a short lecture on serverless application model SAM. Okay, so SAM stands for serverless application model. It's a framework for developing and deploying serverless application, and all the code is in YAML file format. It's a YAML code. It's more like it's more of the advanced version, and everything is intended indentation based. Okay, so example is that you can create lambda function using the SAM framework, DynamoDB tables, API gateway, and step function state machine. SAM can also help you to run lambda, API gateway, and DynamoDB locally, making it super easy for you to create a very good development cycle. SAM can also leverage code deploy when you deploy a new lambda function versions, and leverages the traffic shifting feature, and that's something that is very important here. Okay, also SAM is using CloudFormation in the backend. So SAM is very handy tool when it comes to developing and deploying serverless applications. Okay, so what you need to know from a professional perspective is the CI/CD architecture for SAM. So you would have a code pipeline to orchestrate everything. Your code would be stored in the code commit, and then it would be sent to the code build to build, test, package the code, and then a CloudFormation step in code pipeline would be applied, and that the CloudFormation is relying on. And relying on the here the CloudFormation would be relying on the serverless application model. So SAM will be also there. Okay, and that's a little square in the right example here. In the next slide I missed it. Okay, so and the CloudFormation is relying on the serverless application model. So SAM will also be there. That's a little square in the right example. And then because we are deploying a lambda function, then code deploy will automatically be invoked by SAM itself to do a traffic shifting between your versions, one lambda function to your version 2 lambda function. And CloudFormation can also deploy your API gateway and update it if necessary for DynamoDB. But this is just like the classic CloudFormation. And the one thing that you remember for like the SAM is that if it deploys a lambda function internally, is going to use code deploy to perform the traffic shifting, and that is very important to know, like this going into the exam. And that's it for the serverless application model SAM, and just a very quick and short lecture about SAM. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next one.